Well, really, in order for me to determine exactly which is which, I think we're going to have to find the volume of each and then calculate the density and compare it to what we know is the actual density of both iron and aluminum. So here's cylinder A, and we're going to use the formula pi r squared h, just like we did when we found the volume of a penny. So I'm lying it right here. Oops. And let's put it as close to the end as possible so I can read it. So that looks like it's not perfect, does it? We want to get as accurate as possible. So right there. So that looks like, now, remember, whenever you read the measurement of something, you see what the measuring instrument is graduated in, and then you guess one more. Now this is 5, 6, 7, 8, and so we have 5.1, 5.2, 5.3, 5.4. So in other words, we have to guess one more. This is graduated in the tenths, so we have to read to the 100ths. So when I look at this, I see it's like 5.1, and then I have to guess one more. Now I can say 5.10, or I can say 5.11, 5.12. Okay, I'm thinking it's a little bit, well, it looks like it's exactly on it. Let's write down a length or height of 5.10 centimeters. So now the next thing we have to measure is the radius, but we can't get the radius, so we're going to just do the diameter instead. So remember, this is cylinder A, and getting it right, I'm trying to do it the best I can. I'm getting 1.2, and it's a little bit over that. So I'm going to say it's like 1.25 centimeters. That's the diameter of cylinder A. Well, now we have to do the measurement for cylinder B. Okay, so here's cylinder B. We want to make sure we get it exactly as good as we did the last one. Okay, and let's see if I can get it out of the glare. Probably when I move it, I'm just putting it more into the glare. Yeah, look at that glare. But let me see, 5, and it's right there, 5.1, 5.2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Wow, that looks like it's almost on 5.2, but it's a little bit before that. So I'm going to say this has a length or a height of 5.19 centimeters. So it's just a little bit longer. Now let's take the diameter of it, and let's find that. And here, I'm getting a diameter of 1.20 centimeters. So you now have all the information you need to find the volume of both of these cylinders. Remember, density is an intensive property. It doesn't change for a substance. That means the density of iron is set. Density is the amount of mass in a given amount of volume. So right now, why don't you calculate the volumes of both cylinders and then calculate the density? From that, you should be able to compare with the known densities of both iron and aluminum to determine which is which, A and B. Which one is iron, which one is aluminum?